In this video, I have a tutorial on how to create class in Google Classroom, how to attach file in Google Classroom, and how to create assignment in Google Classroom. So let's watch this. Sure na naka-install na yung classroom goggles nyo. Here we go. Example, the Asian study, and press the plus sign and then create class. Okay, create class and then wait for a minute. Put your class name. Example, macroeconomics. That's my name. And then section, you will fill up that form. Okay, did you see that class code? You have to copy it. You have to start your class. You will write, share with your class. You write something like, good morning, class. And we are proceed to how to attach files in Google Classroom. Now, and how to attach files in Google Classroom. First, you have to select your files. Select and select. Okay guys, that's it on how to attach files in Google Classroom. We are here on how to create assignment in Google Classroom. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it. And please do comment below sa mga gusto magpa-tutorial pa. God bless everyone!